In this session, I'm going to explain the option Export Scale Items. In other words, we say Utilities, Tools, and we click on Export Scale Item. The items that appear here will be items that you're going to export to your scale. The scales that's compatible with our system is Terioka scales. And this item is a variable weighted item. What does that mean? That means that the barcode of this item changes every time that item is weighted on the scale. In other words, your scale generates a barcode for you. Because of the weight of that item, that barcode will change. You then scan that barcode into IQ. What this option will do for you is just export the information that you've created under stock maintenance for your items to the scale. It creates a file for you in the format PRN. You can choose the label font size, or you can use the new layout. You can change your visible fields if you want. You can browse. What you've got to do then is you can start. It tells us that that file is already there. We say yes, you can overwrite it. Are you ready to generate the stock on export? Yes. And it then tells us that the Terioka export file has been created. You can also run the scale batch file, and that will then communicate with the Terioka scale. Just remember to always consult with the person that you buy the scale from, making sure that the setup of that scale is correct. I'm going to, in 2 other sessions, explain how to manipulate the format of that barcode. In other words, you've got to tell IQ what does the barcode look like. We're going to look at that, and I'm also going to show you how to create a stock item so that it appears here, and that I'll discuss in 2 separate sessions. And that concludes looking at this stock export file option.